Hello everyone, I'm Joshua Clement, and today I'm going to talk to you about how to replace the fill valve in your toilet. Now this is very important, that way you have a good amount of water that goes in at a fast rate into the back of the toilet tank. For this job, we are going to be using a bucket to catch the water from the back of the tank and a pipe wrench. The first thing you want to do is go to the side of the tank and shut the water off to the toilet tank. The next thing we're going to do is remove the supply line to our fill valve. For that, we're just going to take our hands and loosen it up. Now that that's removed, we're going to take off the top of the tank. Located on the bottom of the tank, there's a plastic nut. We're going to take our pipe wrench and go ahead and start to loosen that nut up. After you've loosened the nut a little bit, push on the top of the fill valve to keep the washer firmly placed in the porcelain, and then remove the plastic nut. After that's done, go ahead and grab your bucket and place it underneath the hole on your fill valve. And that should pull right out. And here's your old fill valve. Go ahead and throw this away and grab your new fill valve. And you'll take it and place it in the same hole. Firmly press down to keep the water from leaking out. And then take the plastic nut and screw it into place. Now as I screw this in, I'm going to apply a little bit more pressure to the fill valve to seat that washer into the porcelain. After that's done, I'm going to grab my pipe wrench and just tighten it up a little bit. Then on the inside of the tank, there's a little hose that goes to the overflow in the back of the tank. Go ahead and put that on. Then we'll take our supply line and reattach that. After that, you can go ahead, turn your water back on, and see how it works. This is a job that doesn't take very long, and it can help you from hiring that plumber to come in and do this job. Thank you all for watching, and good luck with this project.